Okay, this should be my third video in like 15 minutes. So I got cut off by my screen recorder, but I'm just going to continue with this. So I have what I did in the last video. I'm not going to really explain it, but so just in case you didn't get it, this is equivalent, like assigning. So like you can assign with this, a equals 1. And to test if something's equivalent, you do like, well, or I'm just going to do a equals 1, and it's going to do true. If that was false, a equals 2, and it would do false. You also have a does not equal 1, and that's false. You could have a not equal 1. Oh, what? A not equal 1. Oh, no, also. Well, a not 1. A not 1. Well, anyway. Well, so I'm going to do well true. And then I'm going to do print. So this is the well loop. It'll just do it until this is not true. So I'm going to print 1. And then it'll just keep doing this until you do Control C. That's the keyboard interrupt. It'll just stop it. So now we have. So we also have if loops. So if 1 equals 2, 1 equals 1. Oh yeah, forgot. If 1 equals 1, print. Yay. And since that's true, you also have elif, which is just else if. So if you have like if a equals 2, print yay. Wait, so I'm actually gonna just so that well true. I'm gonna do if a equals 1, print 1, and a equals 2. Elif a equals 2, print 2, and a equals a equals 1. So see, and you can see that went back and forth because what it did was it said, so it's just repeating this, but so if a is 1, it's gonna print 1, and then it's also gonna change it so that's 2. So that then is good with this, and since it was already 1, this will work. And it's good with that, so that'll print that too, and it'll change it, and then it'll repeat, and it's basically like and it's a never-ending loop that goes back and forth. So you also have else, which is just if anything else happens. So you have that. You have for loops, which are a little harder to understand, but it's basically I'll explain. I'll let it explain. Or it's more like, well, a is between some number and some other number. You can also use well, and then you can have ands and ors in those, and will just say if both of those two things are true, it'll do it, and ors are or. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and I think I'm going to have to go into third part. So